In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the color of an object in Adobe Illustrator using the color panel. This is one of the fastest and most essential skills every Illustrator user should know, whether you're designing logos, social media graphics, illustrations, or print materials. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to change both the fill and the stroke color quickly and confidently. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Illustrator tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Adobe Illustrator project and make sure the object you want to recolor is visible on your artboard. To change the color of any object, you need to select it. Go over to your toolbar on the left side of the screen and choose the Selection tool. The shortcut for this tool is V on your keyboard, which makes things much faster. Once you have the Selection tool active, click directly on the object you want to change. You'll know it's selected when you see anchor points or a bounding box appear around it. Now that your object is selected, the next step is to open the color panel. If you don't see it on your screen already, go to the top menu and click on Window, then scroll down and choose Color. As soon as you click it, the color panel will appear, usually floating on the right side of your workspace. This panel gives you direct control over the color values of your selected object. Inside the color panel, you'll notice two important squares near the bottom of the toolbar or within the panel area, the fill and the stroke. The fill is represented by a solid square. This controls the inside color of your object. The stroke is represented by a square outline, and this controls the border or outline color of your object. If you want to change the inside color of your object, make sure the fill square is active. You can click on it to bring it to the front if needed. Once the fill is selected, you can move the color sliders in the color panel to adjust the color. Depending on your document settings, you might see RGB sliders, CMYK sliders, or another color mode. Simply drag the sliders left or right to experiment with different color combinations. As you move the sliders, you'll see the color of your selected object update instantly on the artboard. If you prefer, you can also click directly in the color spectrum bar if it's available, or enter specific numeric values for precise branding colors. This is especially useful if you're working with exact brand guidelines and need consistency. Now let's say you want to change the outline color instead. Click on the stroke square to make it active. Once the stroke is selected, use the same sliders in the color panel to adjust the border color. You'll immediately see the outline change. If your object doesn't currently have a visible stroke, you may need to increase the stroke weight in the stroke panel so the outline becomes visible. One important thing to remember is to always check whether you're editing the fill or the stroke before adjusting colors. A lot of beginners accidentally change the stroke when they meant to change the fill, or vice versa. Just glance at which square is active before making adjustments. And that's it. That's the fastest and most straightforward way to change the color of an object in Illustrator using the color panel. Select your object with the Selection tool using V, open the color panel from Window, choose either fill or stroke, and then adjust your color using the sliders or by entering specific values. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Adobe Illustrator tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.